All right, I'm James Johnson with Carzalia Valley Produce. I'm a fourth generation farmer from Southwest New Mexico. We produce chili peppers, cotton. Onions is actually our biggest vegetable crop that we produce to date. I myself, 2 years ago, was 100% conventional. 2 years ago, we started going regenerative. 2 years ago, I thought that at that point that I could eventually go organic. After a year of trying my first regenerative, I was back to thinking, there's no way that I can go organic. The biggest hurdle that I had with transition into organic was organic weed control. This solves that problem. In our conventional weeding, it consists of mechanical cultivation, herbicide application, as well as hand weeding. Basically any type of chemical input, whether it be chemical fertilizer, herbicide, insecticide, or anything else that we've applied, has an adverse effect either on plant health or soil health. With a potential increase in minimum wage, autonomous robots and things like that, anything that can be put out in the field that's going to take less labor, that's going to take less supervision, that's going to show up every day for work, becomes that much more important for not only organic producers but also conventional producers. Family's been on the same operation for 103 years and labor's never been an issue up until the last 4 or 5 years. Actually now recruitment and retention is kind of becoming a problem. As industries around us and industries in other states start paying better, we have to match that. We've got 2 of these robots on order now. We're looking at going to 4 with the second production model. The aversion to organic in most people's minds comes from, I won't be able to afford or source the labor. And most of that labor that everybody is worried about is weed control. So whenever you take that and you say, I'm going to fix your cost, if we stop looking at this as a X amount investment, and we look at this as, I'm going to replace this many people with one machine that's going to last you X amount of years, now can you transition? I think that changes that thought process in a lot of growers' heads. Nobody's doing something like this, and I think whenever it gets out there and gets public, everybody's going to scratch their head, and it's going to be a big forehead slap in the face of going, God, why didn't we think of that?